Welcome to the newest innovation from Lean Agile Intelligence, the Improvement Action Dashboard. This exciting addition is more than just a feature. It's your all-in-one hub for streamlining organizational improvement actions, or here at LAI, we like to call them IAs. Your feedback is our compass, and we've tailored this dashboard to aggregate all of your IAs in one cohesive, user-friendly interface. Whether you're navigating the organizational landscape or focusing on a specific group or entity, this dashboard ensures you're equipped with comprehensive insights at every level. Simply click on the organizational structure tree to select the group or entity you wish to browse. The IA Summary widget gives you a bird's-eye view of your backlog. Here, you can see how many IAs you have, how many are open, and how many are closed. Underneath the IA Summary widget, you will find the IA Details. The IA Details allow you to see all the IAs in detail. You can customize your experience with selectable display columns, and targeted filters based on question associations and key improvement elements. But that is not all. Exporting your data is now a seamless process with options like PDF, as well as CSV and Excel form, allowing you to tailor your reports to your specific needs with the display column feature. For those at the entity level, the dashboard adapts to your role, enable you to edit and delete improvement actions with ease. And if you're using Jira, you'll appreciate the real-time data synchronization with Jira mapped improvement actions. By clicking the refresh button, you can ensure to always have the latest information at your fingertips. The Improvement Action Dashboard isn't just another tool. It's a strategic ally for coaches and team leaders dedicated to fostering organizational growth. With LAI, you're not just managing data, you're transforming it into meaningful actions. Lean Agile Intelligence, where data meets transformation.